department. My year of passing is 2021. My date of joining the JSPIDERS is 1st September. Here, JSPIDERS is a good platform to learn new technologies, and when I joined here, I didn't knew about the programming language, and further when trainers taught here, trainers from here taught, I got exposure about the programming, all the programming languages. Here the trainers are supportive, and here trainers teach very well, and especially Uday sir, Sharik sir and Bhuvan sir are good trainers, and they teach very well. When I joined here,